Welcome to our step-by-step guide on connecting your Bluetooth system. Follow these simple instructions to seamlessly connect and control your Fire feature. First, download the Decora Digital app by Leviton. This is the app you'll use for our Bluetooth system. If you're using our Wi-Fi system, download the My Leviton app instead. Next, launch the app and follow the on-screen steps. Allow the app to find Bluetooth devices. This enables your phone to connect with the switch. On the switch, press and hold the bottom button until you see a green light rapidly flashing. This makes the device discoverable by your phone. Once your phone finds the switch, connect to it. Now, you can turn on your Fire feature with a tap. You can also program your Fire feature with a sleep timer or set it to turn on and off at scheduled times. Enjoy the convenience of automated control. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call and talk to an expert. See you on the next video.